Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video will be a very quick video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to find a very low competition niche for niche sites. I'm going to guide you through the entire process so you can do the same, and the benefits of that obviously will be that you can find niches that have low competition but a huge amount of searches, and then you can build sites around that niche and make some easy money. So I'm going to guide you through it really simply. Before I get into it, do subscribe if you like this stuff, if you want more help, and check out the link below for your free beat the 9 to 5 income stream. So what happens here is if you check out the link below, it will take you through to this page on your screen and you'll be able to get a complete step-by-step income stream. The reason I set this up, quite simply, everyone talks about income streams. They might give you little pieces to the puzzle, but no one shows you how to build one from scratch until today. So check it out, it's completely free, there are no catches. You can literally start going through that video today with basic. You don't need to know any like how to build websites or anything like that. So do check that out, that's in the link in the description. Okay, so let's get on with finding a niche. This is something that you'll be able to do really simply, and the tool that I'm using to help me is called Perplexity. So Perplexity is a ChatGPT alternative, and it works a little bit differently. It has strengths and weaknesses. I'm not going to get into that on this video. I just wanted to show you something a little bit different rather than using ChatGPT or Google Gemini. This is using Perplexity.ai, so you can use this for free. And the first step that you want to do to find a niche is to ask Perplexity, as I've done here. Give me a niche for Amazon affiliates that will have very little competition for SEO but plenty of searches. Really simple. Now you replace Amazon affiliates for ClickBank or AdSense or whatever you're doing, okay, for your niche site, but I've picked Amazon affiliates. The nice thing about Perplexity is it will give you the sources where it gets the information from to give you its answers. So as you can see here, it gave me an answer here. The outdoor and sports gear niche is good. Products like camping equipment, sports and outdoor related items. This niche is considered one of the most promising, and it's given me the source as well, which is quite cool. So what I did, you could then further refine that answer and say pick me some more niches, but what I decided to look at was, okay, let's look at outdoor. So the next prompt I typed in, which is a follow-up, it will allow you to follow up on the original, is focus on the outdoor niche and give me 5 recommendations. So then I was really just looking for recommendations as it suggests, and you can see here camping gear and equipment, hiking and backpacks, sports and outdoor apparel, outdoor recreation equipment, eco-friendly and sustainable outdoor gear. And what I saw here was, let me see where I saw it, camping gear, hiking, backpack, sports and outdoors, outdoor recreation. This is what caught my eye. So you could again further refine this. The simple steps are, once you see a niche, go further into the niche and say give me some more information on that niche. So I've gone from outdoor to 5 different areas of the outdoor niche, and the one I liked was kayaking. I was mainly thinking about the price of kayaks and so on. So let me show you this. The next step for Amazon is I went over and I can see, okay, the best selling touring kayaks, fishing kayaks, whitewater kayaks, $150, $120, they sell at good price points. So I'm like, okay, this looks good, there's people buying them, it's a good time of the year as well. Okay, so the next prompt I typed in is, I'm going to go for kayaks. There are 3 different types, fishing, touring and whitewater. And I know there's more than that, but I gave it 3 main types. Give me key phrases for each of these in groups that will be laser targeted to people looking to buy, and also pick some key phrases that will be easy to rank. And based on the search results provided, here are some key recommendations for laser targeted key phrases for the different kayak types. Best whitewater kayak for beginners, how to choose a whitewater kayak, and then of course the same for touring kayaks, lightweight touring kayaks. And what you're really looking for here, which is whatever niche you know that it gives you, you're looking for very targeted like the intention behind the key phrase. So if someone's looking for a sit on top fishing kayak, that will be easier in terms of a niche site than just fishing kayaks for sale. Okay, so you're looking at that inflatable fishing kayaks, sit on top fishing kayaks, lightweight touring kayaks, recreational kayak versus touring kayak. Really at this point what you're doing is just looking for some ideas that will give you key phrases that are very targeted but easy to rank. So what I did was look at these ideas, get some ideas together, and then what I did was go over to a keyword tool. I'll show you this. Okay, so there's lots that you can do with a good keyword tool. This is SE ranking. They give a free trial as well. And I typed in whitewater kayaks. Okay, so you can see here whitewater kayak. Yes, great. And relatively low difficulty, not too bad. But what I noticed, and this is the niche I'd recommend definitely to start, is kayaks around the main areas that we've looked at, like fishing, whitewater, and touring was the other one. I'm just looking at whitewater for now, and we can see here whitewater kayak inflatable. There's 500 searches a month for that, and only 13 in terms of effortless, it's saying, in terms of competition. Inflatable whitewater kayak as well. So how would we go into this niche? Well, you'd build a niche site. You would review the products, okay, the top products, and obviously do it for whitewater kayaks. Here we go. So you'd review you'd review the products, so you've got your products on your actual site, and then for your key phrases we would go for inflatable whitewater kayaks first, and we'd start even here kayak, paddle, whitewater. So whitewater paddle kayak, 320 searches a month, only 6 in terms of difficulty. So why are we going for the low difficulty ones first? Just because it's easier to rank, it's easier to get traction, and then we can look at this: sit on top kayak in whitewater. Whitewater sit on top kayaks, 210, only 10 in difficulty. So I'm not worried about the search volumes for a site that I just want to build up and flip, or build up and keep. What I'm worried about is the level of difficulty. So then I can have 5-10 reviews on my site, target some of these key phrases, and then branch out to more higher difficulty key phrases once I've got some content on the site. And of course, this is whitewater kayaks. I would do the same for fishing kayaks and touring kayaks. And if you do that, you've got a niche in 8 minutes that will make you money, be easy to rank if you follow those steps. So go and give it a go. You can do the same with AdSense, same with ClickBank. Just modify the steps and obviously look for a ClickBank niche instead of an Amazon, and that's exactly how you do it. I recommend backing it up with a good keyword tool like SE ranking. And if you're interested in this stuff, do subscribe, do leave me a comment, and do get yourself in on the free income stream. That's totally free, and it will go far more in depth about how to actually get set up and do more than just keyword research. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.